So here we can see the question number 11. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, okay. So let me just put in a better way to read the question. Actually, this is what we can say the graph. And look at the left side of my screen. So a figure, the graph is given, and there are four options. So the figure above shows the graph in the xy plane of a function g. How many distinct real roots does g have?
Uh, 4. I thought we answered this one already.
Okay, what was your answer?
I said
Can you
4.
recall that? 4.
I'm pretty sure I said 4. Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see. We will check the answer at the end. So
Okay.
you just put your choice on your paper. That is D. If you are going for 4, so put down D. D
Okay.
is the against 11. So I don't
Okay.
have the pen and pencil, otherwise I will mark that. But anyhow, you must mark your choices, then we will match. So this was the question number 11. So parallel to this, there is a question number 12. So once again, there is a figure, and we are looking for note in the figure dB is at the rate of which. So this was almost confusing. We have done it. We are just going to the next part. So
Okay.
that is this one. So for which of the following values of W, we have done this also.
Yeah, we did this one as
So
well.
we must go for the, what about the question number 14?
Let's see.
Let's see. So this is if R is equal to half of A.
Yeah, we did this one as well. R minus
Okay,
2.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, okay. Let's see, we should start from the this one. What I mean to say that these are the question number 16 to 20. So here, solve the problem and enter your answer in the grid as directed described below. So this is all about the instruction. So what we'll have to do must be grid to this and this. Let's see. So we are at the question number 16. I'm sure that you can see the question number 16 just now. So
Yeah.
here you will have to solve this. This is actually P over 3 plus Q over 2 is equal to 1. Based,
Okay.
then P minus PQ is equal to 1 based on the system of equation above. What is the value of P?
Okay. So,
Two equations are given. These
right.
are the two linear equations. So you will have to solve these equations. There are so many methods. The one is elimination method. The second is substitution method. So any one of the method you can select, just
Yeah.
get the answer. So you will have to do some paperwork and you will get the answer of P and note down this answer. We will match it at the end. So we are starting from question number 16.
Okay.
Because the choices are not given, so you will have to record your answer also. Jot down your answer.
Okay.
We will match this.
Yeah. So P over. Yeah. Minus 2. 3.
So I'm sure that you are getting the values of P as well as Q to get the right
Yeah.
value of P. So linear equations, and you will have to solve either by,
Okay, so I've gotten P is equal to 7/3.
okay, 7 or 3. Just keep it there. We will check it.
Okay,
We
yeah,
are
I
moving
got
to
it.
the question 17. So y is equal to x. Y minus 2 whole square minus 4 is equal to minus x. The system of equations above intersects at 2 points. What is the sum of the coordinates of the point of intersection in quadrant first? So the question is, I hope is very much clear. What we can say that the system of equations above intersect at 2 points. What is the sum of the coordinates of the point of intersection in quadrant 1? So I'm sure that you will have to solve this, and you will have to find the point of intersection. Point
Okay.
of intersection. So the one more thing is that the point of intersection is always the solution of both the equation,
Yeah.
where they are
So
meeting
the
each
sum
other.
of the coordinates. Okay.
Yes, at the end
So
you will have to find the ordered pair, and then you will have to add abscissa as well as the ordinate. Sum of the coordinates of the point of intersection. So
okay.
y is equal to x. You can substitute directly. You can get the value of x.
Yeah, okay, I'm almost okay, so I got 3, and it says the
3,
sum of the coordinates, so it's
6.
6.
Anyhow, note down this answer. We will check it. And now we are moving to the question number 18. So once again, inequality is given that c minus 1 whole square lies between 1 and 36. So what is the greatest integer solution to the inequality above? So we are looking for the value of c. So when the
Okay.
inequality is double inequality, it's once again a double inequality. So you will have to work these two inequalities. First, you must take 1 is less than c minus 1 whole square, and then you must take that 36 is greater than c minus 1 whole square. So parallel, you will have to solve to get the value of c. What is the greatest integer solution to the inequality above?
Okay.
It's all about the solution of inequality. So from here we can get the two inequalities. I'm sure that you are doing something.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
I broke it into 2 different ones,
Yes,
and
it's
then
from the left hand side as well as from the right hand side.
yeah,
We have two inequalities. We are looking for the greatest integer solution to the inequality.
since C is less than 0 or C is greater than 2, okay, and then -5 is greater than C.
I'm sure
No.
that you are getting the
Uh,
quadratic in term of c. So c minus 1 is whole square.
I'm getting um I'm getting like all right, I got a -5 is less than C, and 0 is greater than C, and then is that, am I doing it right or am I messing something up?
Okay, and anyhow, don't worry about that. We will check it in detail. We'll solve that.
Yeah, okay, we
We are
could
just
look back
moving
at it.
to the 19th question. So this is 2y minus x is less or equal to 4. And the second inequality is minus 2x plus y is greater or equal to minus 4. If S is the sum of the x and y coordinates of any point in the solution to the system of inequalities above as graphed in the xy plane, what is the greatest possible value of S? So once again, the two inequalities are given, and we will have to solve these two inequalities, and then we will have to find the value of x and y. The number of inequalities and the number of unknowns are equal, so we can find the value of x and y, and then graph in the xy what is the greatest possible value of S. S is the sum
Okay.
of x and y coordinates.
Yeah, the S is some. Okay.
So it's a better to use what I mean to say the substitution method. Get the
Oh
value,
yeah.
get the value of any variable from any of any one of the inequalities, because the equal sign is also given.
Right.
So you can equate to get the value of single variable, because sign of inequality and sign of equation, sign of equality is also given. So
Okay.
you can
So
treat these two inequalities just like the equations.
okay.
The shortcut method is that treat these two inequalities as what we can say equations. Then get rid of any one of the variable, or substituting method is also available. Get the value of one, put in the second, and find the value
Yeah.
of one and put it again in the equation to get the value of second. Anyhow,
Okay, Y is greater or equal to 2, and then also have to do another one. Y.
put in any one of the equations. You can say equation or inequalities. Sign of equation is also given. If you are getting the value of one variable, put it in the other equation to get the value of other one. So you must have two values
Okay, I
which are
got, yeah,
equal or
Y is
less.
equal to 2.
Anyhow, y is equal to 2, so you must get the value of x. Just
Yeah,
putting it in any one of the inequality,
right.
and
And
in this way you will get two values with less than or equal signs. Then just add them. If s is the sum of a point.
okay, I got 1 for X, so that would be 3 in total.
Okay, okay, you must go for the greatest value. Anyhow,
3.
let's see. So we are just coming to the next, what I mean to say, this is what we can say, a cube, and inside there is a prism. I'm sure that you know
A
that what is
rectangular
prism.
prism.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
scale-based,
right.
scale-based prism. It's not a rectangular, it's a scale-based, because it
Right,
is
right. In a
encomposed
cube.
in the cube. That cube is just like that. But anyhow, uh, let's see. A cube with side length 6 is shown. Side length 6 means height, the width, and each and every side is of
Yeah.
6. In the figure above, if point Q lies on square ABCD and is equidistant from point ABC and D, what is the volume of pyramid?
Wait, could you, I think in the beginning of this portion, I think they give you the equation for this.
Oh, yeah, yes. Let me what I mean to say that should be over here. If, let's see.
Yeah, like in the beginning, they give you some equations.
Okay. This is the prism.
Right,
The
yeah.
volume of the
Okay,
prism
so,
of 1/3 of the width into the height, the
okay, let me
vertical
write that.
height
Okay,
and the length of the side. So you can note
okay.
from here. This is the figure over here. Can you see at the right
Yeah, I
extreme
can
in the
see it.
second row? So this is all about
Yeah,
here. Anyhow, if you have noted this one,
yeah,
so now we are just going back to the real problem. That was on the that was 19th or whatever the number was that. Anyhow, we are just reaching over there. So here, this one. This is 20th.
right.
So let's see. The height is the height of this cubic box,
Yeah, which is
and
also
width,
6.
oh, and the width is also the same. So what you will have to do, if you have noted the formula, so you will have to put both the values. 1/3 of the product of the width and the height. Am I right?
Yeah,
Okay. So definitely you have answer. Just note this, and we will explain this after few questions. So this was the stoppage. But I mean to say that now the next is calculator based. Here you can use the calculator exclusively for each and every. There are 55 minutes and 38 questions, but we are not solving all those questions in this time. We are just solving a few questions, that may be 5 or 6 of this portion, and
okay,
the rest of the question will do next time, because actually we are not in a mode of doing all these tests. We are in the learning mode, and very soon we will see all those answers with the explanations. So that's
right.
why don't worry about that we will not cover all these questions, but we are just getting the. So once again, all these the geometrical figures are there. Whenever the reference is also given, whenever you are looking for any formula, so you can go to your answer, your question sheets, and you can get the formula anyhow. So the first is, please read if you can read now.
Okay. Where,
Number
oh, there you
one,
go. Okay. An air pump at a gas station dispenses 95 pounds per, sorry, 90 pounds per air at 25 cents. Which of the following expressions give the number of dollars? Uh, Number of pounds of air dispensed, P for D dollars. Okay. Let's see. 90 pounds of air for 25. E is pounds of air. Okay. 90 point. Wait, hold on. An air pump at a gas station dispenses 90 pounds of air for 25 cents. Which is a following expression? Okay. Okay.
90 pounds for 25 cents.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna
And
go with C.
see, just
90. Yeah.
note down question
Okay.
number one. And this is the calculation where the calculators allowed the second part of the test, and you have selected C. So please note down this, we will match. We are just moving to the question number two. So write the
Taylor is
number.
6. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, please.
Taylor is 6 feet tall. If 1 foot is equal to approximately 0.3 meters, which of the following is closest to Taylor's height in meters? Okay, so it'd be 6 feet, and then 6 times 0.3.
So 1 foot is equal to approximately 0.3 meters.
Yeah, so it's 2 because 0.3 times 6 is. Oh, wait.
Anyhow, you have selected the B. So please note down 2 against B.
No, it's 1.8. Sorry.
1.8. Anyhow,
Yeah.
you can change the choice. So you will have to mark your question number 2 with choice A. Please note down this.
Okay.
And we are moving to the next question, number 3, on the right side of my screen. Here, question number 3 is, please.
Okay. A developer is creating a plan for a 44-acre park that includes 4-acre land that cannot be developed. If 8 to 10 acres inclusive must be reserved for soccer fields, which of the following inequalities? Hold on. Which of the following inequalities shows all possible values for P, the amount of land within the park available for development? Wait, what's that pound symbol?
Pound symbol, it's inequality. Actually, this is less than.
Oh, less than?
Oh, yes, because that is talking about the inequality. 26 is
Okay,
less
okay.
than P is less than 40. So P lies between 26 and 40, and P lies between 30 and 32, and so on.
Okay, okay. So that means less than. All right.
Yes.
A div Okay, so
All possible
44,
values of P,
right.
the amount of land that within the park that is available for development.
So it would just be 40, it'd just be 44 minus 8 or minus 10.
If 8 to 10 acres inclusive
So,
must be reserved for soccer
yeah,
fields.
okay, so it's C, it's C.
C. Anyhow, just mark this C against question number 3, and we are moving to the question number 4. So here the calculator is being allowed fuel efficiency by vehicle weight. So one is that is tilting towards the left, so it's a negative correlation. Anyhow, it's
Yeah,
just like a scatter diagram, and miles per gallon vertical line and the weight in tons. So weight in tons. So you can see the two things. And now the question is that, now please read this one.
okay. According, wait,
The
oh
scattered.
no, the scatter plot above shows the fuel efficiency in miles per gallon. A variety of vehicles weighing. Hold on, why is it lagging like that? Weird. Okay, in miles per gallon, a variety of vehicles weighing between 1.5 and 4 tons. Based on the line of best fit, the data represented, which of the following is the closest to the expected miles per gallon of the vehicle that weighs 3 tons?
3 tons. So I'm just to give you the clear idea. So this is what we can say, the let me just make it as a whole where you can see all this. So 3, and you will have to find the gallons.
Yeah, okay, so it looks around like 20. I say 20. I say that looks like 24 to me.
24.
It's like right
Okay,
underneath.
yes,
Yeah.
it's not scaled properly, but anyhow, you can make the guess that this is lies between 20 or 20 and 25, and it's more than half, and you can divide it into three parts or four. But anyhow, your choice is
Oh, my choice, 24B.
24. Yes, it cannot be 20, it cannot be 27, it cannot be 28. So what we have left? Only the 24, which is less than 25 and greater than 20. Anyhow, it seems to be good answer. So on the right side, if you can see white-nosed population in
Yeah,
Tackle
white-nosed
National Park.
coyote population in Ticatol National Park. At a, as a part of recent wildlife conservation effort in Guatemala, park rangers in Ticatol National Park have tracked the growing number of white-nosed coyote living within a certain protected region over the period of 1994 to 2004. According to the data above, if the population coyote in the protected region of Tikal National Park increased at the same rate from 2004 to 2006 as it did from 2000 to 2004, what was the number of coyote in the park in 2006?
So the choices are available. So once again, you will have to focus on what I mean to say, focus on the graph. So this is the whole story written over there, and you have the four options now. So can you see the screen now?
Yeah, I can see it. So it went up 2002 to 2004. It went up.
Okay,
Oh,
okay. Let me. I'm just
yeah, it's fine.
waiting for the. Okay, it's coming now. Here it is. Let's see. This was over here. This was.
Okay,
So
so 2002, it went up what, 20? Yeah, it went up 20, so it'll go up another 20. It'll go to 200.
200. It's asking from 220 to 2004. 2000 to 2004. Then what was the number of 26? 2006. So actually for every 2 years, it's increasing. How much increases? For
Every
every
2 years, it increases 20 in the park.
20. So 180 and okay. So your choice is C. So note down this choice, and we are moving to the next question that is written on, that is question number 6. 6 and 7,
All right.
these will be the last question, then we will go to the answers.
Okay. So 6,
6.
if the equation above has infinitely many solutions for D, what is the value of A?
Okay.
Hold on. If the equation above has infinitely many solutions for D, what is the value for A?
So you can put any value of D of your own choice.
Right. All right. I'm gonna go with what'd you call it? I'm gonna go with 10.
10. Okay. B. Put down B again 6.
Okay.
So this is the what I mean, say the last question, and then we will see the explanations, the answer.
Yeah,
Uh, Please look at this and read.
sure. Uh, Hold on. Maggie and Glenn's distances from home during a jog. Maggie is this okay. Maggie and Glenna both leave at the same house to go for a jog along a trail. Shortly
Maggie
after
is
leaving,
Galen is for the dotted lines, and Maggie is zigzag line.
right, yeah.
The legend is given. So what you will have to do. So this is all about the graph, and now the statement is this one.
Maggie and Glenn both leave from this same house to go for a jog along the trail. Shortly after
Yes.
leaving, Maggie realizes she forgot her iPod and returns home to find it before heading back onto the same trail. The graph above shows how far each of the jogs is from home. What is Glenn's approximate average speed in meters per second for the portion his jog is shown?
So time is on the parallel line, horizontal line, and distance is in the vertical line.
Right.
So they have started from 0, 0, and one dotted line is for Glenn, and the full scale and zigzag line is for the Maggie. So what
Okay.
is the Gallon's approximate average speed in meters per second for the portion of his jog shown? So we are focusing on the dotted lines.
Right. And the meters per second or
Yes, sir, it's
oh, per
a
second. Okay.
meter per second.
Okay.
Distance in meters, times in minutes. So that is the total 15 minutes and covering 3000 meters.
Yeah. I got A.
A 3.3. So
Yeah.
one thing is that you will have to convert the minutes into seconds also.
Seconds. Yeah.
Okay, if you have done this,
Yeah, I
so
have.
please check your answer. Now I am just going for this was question number 7, and I have the answers. So
Okay.
we have started from where? Have you
We
written?
started from, let me get my page.
Okay,
Question number 11. Uh,
11. So
but then we
you are
skipped to 13 and then
13. Okay,
17.
okay,
Yeah.
13. So 13 question is there, and answer was B. What was your
Mine was 7/3, which I'm pretty sure is B.
B? So you can read the explanation. Please read this one.
Oh, I can't see it.
Okay,
I think
okay,
you're,
okay, okay,
yeah.
okay, okay. Let me just check my sharing. If I am not sharing this, so uh, let's see. Let's see. So this one is now. Let me first open it, and now it's. Let me share a new one. That is. So where is the what we can say? This one is. I'm sure that now you can see my screen.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, so question number 13, B was the correct answer, and that's why taking the fourth root of the number in the same is taking the number to 1/4 power. Therefore, the equation can be written as this way, but there's a breakage anyhow. Your answer is correct, so no need to explain more. Question number 14. What was your answer? Just check your paper.
Okay, my paper says
14.
I got C on this one.
C.
Yes, C.
Oh, here, what is the answer?
I'm not sure. Wait, where does it
C.
say the answer?
C. 14. C. C is the correct answer. Can you see my screen
Oh,
now?
okay. Oh, yeah, I can see it, but where does it? Oh, it's like right next to the number. Okay,
Or
okay,
next to the number, and here we
okay.
can see that C is the right option, and there is a little bit explanation. That was whenever there are variables in the equation and in the answer, think plugging in. If A is 2 and B is 3, R is this one, and this So this is the shortcut method. What was your answer? What was your C?
Yes.
Okay. So once again, this is the correct answer. So we are moving to the next one. So this was the question number 15. And what is your answer over there?
I think we skipped 15, if I
15.
remember right.
Okay, anyhow,
Yeah.
we are just moving to the point, what I mean to say, the 16.
Yeah, I
16.
got 7/3.
7/3. So it's
Yeah.
absolutely right, because as I was saying that you can use the elimination method, and you can also get rid of the, what I mean to say, fractions by multiplying. And here they have used the elimination method, and they are getting the value P 7/3. So this was all about that. Question number 17. So what was your answer? Have you written that?
Number 17. Wait, which one is this? This one is
6
I have
is the answer.
6. Okay, yeah,
17
I
is the
had
question.
6 too for number 6.
So it's a right answer.
Yep.
Correct answer is 6. Yeah. Now 18. Let's see. So 18, trying plugging different values. Have you done this 18, question number 18?
No, I think we didn't do number 18. We
Okay.
skipped over
Okay.
to
Okay.
question number
19.
1.
Question number 1 now. Oh, yes. We have ended over here, and now this is with a calculator. So what was your answer for the question number 1? Here the correct answer is
C.
D.
I had
D.
C.
You have
Oh,
D.
okay.
So good. So what about the question number 2?
I have A.
A. Once again, good. Question 3.
I actually got C.
C. So here we will have to explain. Please read this one.
Sure. In order to find the underdeveloped area, take the entire area of the park and subtract the area of the developed. Hold on. Why is okay? Of the developed portion, subtract 4 acres of land to get 44 minus 4, 40 undeveloped acres. Next, subtract the largest and smallest number possible. Oh, okay. Next, subtract the largest number. 40 minus 10 is 30, and 40 minus 8 is 32.
Now match your calculation.
Yeah, I forgot to take the 4 away for the underdeveloped, what you call
Oh,
it.
yes. So one
Yeah,
was the soccer field, and second was the underdeveloped area.
yeah.
So
So there were
you
two
will have
different things.
two different things. Anyhow, it's a matter of just the understanding of the statement. So be careful when you are solving the question. So the given statement and all those digits are very important. So you
Yeah,
must have marked that all those digits which are given taken in account. So if some digit is missing, so take care of that. What purpose of this digit is there? So there were 3 or 4 digits, and you will have to take care of all these. Anyhow, by nature, it was not a difficult question. It's just a procedural mistake that you have
yeah.
missed one more digit. Anyhow, we are going back to the question number 4, with the right option is B. So what was your
Which one?
fourth?
3? Oh, four,
This is
four.
4.
4, I got B.
Okay, so B is absolutely the right answer. Weight in horizontal axis, and that was a graph, and you have the right answer, because that was lying somewhere between the 20 and 20. That was 24. Anyhow, that was
Yeah,
clear cut. The question number 5, and the right
I got,
option is C. What
yeah, I
was
got 200. Yeah, 200,
okay?
which is C. Yeah.
C. So match your answer with question number 6 and the option B.
Yeah, I got B as well. I got, I think A is equal to 10
Oh,
on
good,
my page.
good. So once again, we have done the last question, that was 7. 7 was the last.
Okay, yeah, 7 was the last. I got A.
Okay. A. So absolutely right. So how much score is, what is your score over there?
So I got
you count?
one, two. I got two. I got three wrong.
3 wrong. So
Yeah.
out of how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of
11.
11.
So anyhow, it's what I am feeling here that sometimes if we are out of touch, so for a long time, so we are being rusted. So
Yeah, that kind of happens.
and the second thing is that during the Ramzan, what is time over there? Here we
Right
are.
now, it's 9:42.
So you have Avtar, your fast, Rosa.
Yeah,
And anyhow, it's just a matter of days, and then after the Eid, we will be more energetic and energize
yeah,
ourselves. We will have to be a little bit more regular because if we are skipping, if we are taking the long interval between the activities, so that I have full 8 tests. That
oh,
was
really?
what we can say the latest version, latest available 2021. 2021, all these questions are taken from there. So my plan is that we must go through all these 8 full-fledged tests because these are the very important questions.
Right.
And we will do a lot of things and we will learn all these questions are just what we can say that coming in. What I mean to say that these type or these questions are like these, they are coming in the test. So we should not miss this. I'm continuously downloading all these questions from the different sources and just making together and getting all these and with the answers also. So that's why we should not miss so many days. We should not be away from these questions. So I'm sure that you will do, and you will be a little bit. Anyhow, one more thing is that I have offered you that whenever you are free, whenever you are getting the time, we will reschedule our activities just to facilitate you. If you are early
Okay.
in the morning, because it's a night, Ramzan and late night we are sitting there, then the Sari time
Yeah.
over there. So a lot of time is available around the clock. Whenever you are feeling fresh and when you are available, you just send the message. We will see the message and definitely we will tell you about the timing if possible.
Right.
We
Yeah.
will join that. So the timing is flexible. It's at 7 Pakistan Standard Time or 9 over there in the evening. So you can join anytime, but you will have to make the confirmation and we will immediately inform you that whether we are available or not. But anyhow, thank you very much, and you are doing well. So I must considering that you must go each and every time for 90%, 90 plus. But
Yeah.
this was a little gap, and you are seems to me a little bit rusted. But anyhow,
Yeah.
we will do better, inshallah. Okay, thank you very much for joining today.
All right.
Allah Hafiz. Allah
Office.
Hafiz. Take care of you and your people around you. Anyhow,
Okay.
Allah Hafiz.
Office.